What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be talking about PSI, which is a pre-sentence investigation, and the PSR, which is the pre-sentencing report. Each individual convicted of a felony will be affected by the pre-sentence investigation report, or PSI. Early on, become familiar with the procedure. To help, we will discuss the following topic: the fact that the PSI is the result of a procedure. You can take individual actions to impact the PSI's result. The PSI is a result of the following steps. The judge will direct federal probation to prepare a pre-sentence investigation report once a defendant has been convicted of a felony in federal court. The individual's life history who was convicted of the crime will be documented in the PSI. There is an apparent presumption of innocence in our country's legal system until the time of conviction. The presumption of innocence vanishes when a person pleads guilty or a jury or judge finds someone's guilty. From that point forward, that individual becomes a convicted felon, and people within the system view them through a different lens. A federal probation officer will contact the offender within a short length of time following the sentencing. This meeting most likely will happen around 30 days of the conviction date or change of plea. The initial contact with a probation officer might happen as soon as a week after the conviction, so be ready. When is the starting point for the investigation? The court may not allow the defendant to stay free after the conviction, even if they were free during the pretrial procedure. A federal probation officer will visit the detention center, jail, or prison if the offender is detained. If the offender is in the community, the federal probation officer will almost certainly pay him a visit at home. Alternatively, the federal probation officer might start the inquiry at the federal probation office or the defense attorney's office. For my case, I had my meeting set with the United States Probation and attended it with my lawyer at the United States Probation Office. In the next video, we'll be discussing your lawyer and 7 reasons why someone might be unprepared for a PSI or the PSI interview. In any case, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Keep learning, growing, and staying safe.